Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. It's amazing, guys. As I said, I give you some tips before. Oh, you must make your chicken look for this Christmas. Oh, you must make your chicken roast and looking really lovely and nice. This is my chicken. I just finished my chicken. It's looking so lovely and nice and fantastic. So hopefully, guys, we'll just see how you can make your chicken look really nice for this Christmas on the plate, on the table. And this Christmas, you guys will have a wonderful time. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of roast chicken on my YouTube channel, guys. I'm gonna just put the link below where you can roast the chicken. So this is the way of my chicken looking lovely and nice. So guys, hopefully we'll have a wonderful chicken and a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful roast dinner. See you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Remember, get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon or visit my website chefricardocooking.com. We love you. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.